That ball is hit deep to left field. Gyorko has hit a grand slam. Oh my, Gyorko breaking out tonight. A pair of home runs. 6 runs batted in. A grand master for the Padres second baseman. And it's 6-0. No doubt about this one.
A 2-0 pitch that leaks down and in. And remember, the home run the other night against Kansas City was a mistake on the inner half. Boy, he gets to that baseball. Short and quick swing. Mark Sweeney, that is some kind of nice.
That is some kind of nice is right. You can understand, the beginning of the game, you went right center, then you drive that fastball inside on a hitter's count. Beautiful swing by Jedd Gyorko.
Line drive, base hit to right field. Maven comes in. Here's Alonso around third. The throw by Stanton. He's going to go back to third, and wisely so. Look where Glenn Hoff. Left center field. Over to get it is Yelich. Makes the catch. Tagging and coming home, Alonso. A 6-run inning. It's 8-0 Padres.